Hello, good day, and welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for those that are coming to subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of stuff for us to learn. So quickly today, this is the Photoshop. I want to teach us how to apply borders to our design. Probably after you finish your design, you want to add a kind of border to it. You can do that in Photoshop just to give it that beauty. And this border can be used for mock-up designs and what have you. So I have an image today, and I want to show us how to quickly apply a border to this image. So first of all, what you want to do, as you can see, I've imported this image to um to to um to Photoshop. So this is the image. This is the image here. So I just brought it in to Photoshop, and you can do that on your. You can just pick and drag and drop it there, or you use the place embedded. When you go to File, go to Place Embedded, go to Desktop where you have the image, and you can pick any image of your choice. So this is the image. I can bring it in again, and we have two of those images. So let's just keep this cool. So we are working with this for now. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to make this video as short as possible. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go to now I'll show us different method. We'll use the marking tool and also use the crop tool to get this effect. So these are the two that can give us borders. Now the first thing we want to do, you click on the marking tool, the rectangular marking tool. So when you clicked on that, now choose the area you want to draw the rectangle marking tool on. So once you are okay with that size, now you can release that, leave it that way. Now what after this, what you want to do is this. Now you want to click on the delete key as if you want to delete it. So you click on the delete key, and this stuff will pump out. Now what it means is, with this, what you want to fill this area with. So now let's say, for instance, okay, let's start with white. I have the white color. So when I click on this part, I see white, and I click on OK. Watch what happened. Now it shows inside, right? But this is not what we want to do. Control Z again. Have you seen that? So what you want to do is you want to click on the side of the image to give it what we actually wanted. So to do that, what you're going to do, you're going to, like I said, this is what we don't want to do. So you Control Z, you go back. So the next thing you want to do is you click on the on the select here, and you come to inverse. So you click on inverse, and you have the border now where we can apply the border color. So click on delete now on the keyboard. Click on delete. Now we have white here. Okay, let's try out white. When you click OK, you can see the beauty of it now. So we created a border, white border, using that simple technique. Now after that, you Control D to like deselect it. Now, but before that, let us change this white border. What about if you want to use a color probably from the image just to create a border? Yes. What do we do? Let's go to Control Z now, and let's hit on the delete key again. This time around, let's come to this part and choose what color. So now you can see now the eyedropper color tool is already showing what color you want to use. So let's go for something blue in the background. Let's go for something blue in the background. So if we pick this color here, blue, something like this, and we'll click OK, and you click OK on this part, you can see you have the same color. So this is a simple trick on how you can then you Control D to take out the marquee tool shape. So this is the simple trick on how you can add border to your designs and to make them pop out and look beautiful. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so that you can get our first and tutorial on Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Do have a nice day. Thank you.